just make a last video of this place. See how beautiful this is, and the area which you are seeing of green, darkened green color, it's deep. It's around 25 feet, guys. So better take a guide with you, or you take a tube whenever you come inside. This is the waterfall, Bhalughad. It was hard to find this place, but finally we did it. Actually, the guys who were with me also, they were also not knowing that where this waterfall is. But finally, we asked few local people. They told that you have to go a little further, then you will find this place. So finally, we found this place. We enjoyed a lot. We are going to have some soup and Maggie or some stuff so that we can gain energy right now. We have to travel 2.5 kilometers around from here. So I wish you guys come here, do visit this place. All the best when you come here, and be safe. Till then, keep calm and enjoy yourself. Bye bye. Enjoy yourself, guys.